Strange things are going to happen because the mystery art box is here. Stay tuned for that. Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Crafts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I'm starting some really exciting episodes that includes a lot of drawing, crafting, art tutorials, and challenges. If you're excited for these episodes, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video. In this channel, we make lots of fun videos, including crafts, vlogs, special videos, and new episodes like this one. If you're ready, let's get started. So the series that we are starting are called What's in the Mystery Art Box Challenge. Basically, how this challenge works, I'm going to have near me the mystery art box. I should do whatever is inside this box. It could be a note, it could be some supplies, or a challenge. I have to open it and find that out. I'm very excited for this series because the mystery art box is full of surprises. I can't wait to open it up. Let's do this. Alright guys, here's the mystery art box. I'm so excited to open it up. Let's do this. Oh my god, there is a note inside the mystery art box and some supplies. First of all, let's read the note. Hello you there, I am the mystery art box. I have a challenge for you today. You have to create something using every single supply in this box. Have fun. M-A-B. So basically what we are going to do is that we have to create something using all of these supplies. I think that this challenge is going to be very easy because, to be honest, we have some really nice supplies that are very useful. I'm very excited to create something with all of these supplies because we have a glue stick, a marker, a pencil. Luckily, we have the pencil because we can draw something with it. We have a pair of scissors and some paper. I don't know what I can do with these supplies. I can do a lot of stuff, maybe some origami, a postcard, but what I'm thinking is a mini notebook. I really like these mini notebooks, and to be honest, I have all the supplies in this box. I'm going to show you step by step all the process so you can understand it and do it by yourself. Let's get started. Alright guys, here's the mystery art box. We have all of these supplies. We are going to need each and all of them, so I'm taking them out and get started with our project. Now let's move on the mystery art box away. So for making these mini notebooks, we are going to need a piece of white paper or any paper that you like, but white is the classic color of a notebook. The first step is to fold the paper in half. Then we are going to fold it again. Make sure to fold it perfectly. Now that we fold our paper, the second step is to open it up and cut the stripes that we made. Luckily, we have the scissors, so we can cut them. Let's do this. Alright guys, now that we have the 4 pieces of papers, now we are going to take one of them and start folding it, like this. Fold it in half, then fold it in half again, and again. Basically, you have to fold it 3 times. We are going to do the same process on the 3 others. Let's do this. Alright guys, I'm done with the folding, and as you can see, I have 4 little notebooks. But what we are going to do right now, we are going to open them up. Now for the fourth step, we are going to take the edges of the papers and glue them together like this. Let's take these two and glue them together with some glue stick. Alright guys, now we're done with the sticking, and what we are going to do is to take this whole long stripe and fold it like this to make a little notebook. Alright guys, now we are done with the pages and it should look like a little book. If you want, you can cut some of the edges using your scissors. I'm going to do it so it will look more neater. Alright guys, finally the papers are ready. What we are going to do right now is the book cover. Let's move on with that. For the book cover, we will need a colored paper or a paper that you like in your favorite color. We are going to open it up, and as you can see, I folded twice, so we are going to take just a piece of this square right here. Let's cut that up. Alright guys, now I'm done with the cutting and we are not going to need the remaining paper, so I'm going to put it away. The next step is to fold the paper in half, like this. Be very careful. Then open it up and take the two edges of the paper and fold them in half again, leaving in the middle a little bit of space. Let's do this. Alright guys, now we are done, and don't forget to let in the middle a little bit of space. The next step is to fold it in half again, but in this direction. Like this. All we have to do next is to take the book and glue its pages. You are going to open it up and glue the pages together with glue stick, because it's the only tape that we have. Be very careful because the pages might get damaged. As you can see guys, the notebook is ready, so all we have to do is to put it in the book cover that we just made before. Put it in the middle of the book cover, like this. And then take the remaining paper and put it inside the notebook, gluing it up. So I'm going to take a little bit of glue and glue it inside. If you want, you can cut some of the remaining paper so it would be less paper inside the notebook. I'm going to do it because it would look more neater in the end. Like this. Now glue them inside the notebook. Even though this notebook is really mini, I highly recommend it because it's very practical and cute. And it's not very hard to make. Glue the other side like this. And as you can see, now we have a mini notebook. It's really cute, I really like it, and I can take like small notes in here and bring them with me to school. All we have to do right now is to decorate it. Luckily we have a marker and a pencil. What I'm going to draw is a smiley face. Alright guys, we're done with the mini notebook and I'm very happy with the results. As you can see, it looks very cute. You can decorate it in all the ways that you want, with some markers, with some glitter, or with some stickers. I just really love this and I highly recommend it to you to create it. And as you probably saw, it doesn't require a lot of supplies. I hope you like this series because I think that they are very exciting and creative, and the mystery art box is also very challenging. All you have to do is to let me know in the comments down below what did you create with the supplies that the mystery art box gave us. Alright guys, this is the end of today's episode. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. I have anything else to say, just bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye crafts!